Hola a todos y bienvenidos a nuestra canal de YouTube. Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Alright, so in this video of ours, we'll be learning 4 things. And what are those? Days of the week, names of months, the 4 seasons and the climate. Okay, so how do we call them all in Spanish? They are Días de la semana, los meses, las estaciones y el clima. Okay, so these are the 4 topics that we will be covering along with the vocabulary and exercises as usual. Okay, also if you want any extra study material or private Spanish classes, then you can DM us on the WhatsApp number that is mentioned on the screen and in the description box as well. So now let's begin the video. Okay, so now we'll learn the days of the week in Spanish. Alright, so what are those? Let's begin with the Monday. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo. Let's repeat it once again. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo. One more time. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo. Alright, so these are the days of the week. Now, to practice them more, we'll do some exercises. Alright, so our first exercise is Une cada día de la semana con el dibujo correcto. That means you have to match each of these days of the week with the corresponding images. And for your help, they're also written in English. Okay, so once you've done it, your answers will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Okay, I hope that you all have done it correctly. Now let's move on to another exercise. What you have to do in this exercise is ayer means yesterday and mañana means tomorrow. So you have to write, if today is suppose that miércoles, then what was yesterday and what will be tomorrow. Okay, so you have to write that. Now once you've done the exercise, your answers will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Okay, so as we know that before Wednesday what comes? Tuesday, and Tuesday is martes, so ayer martes, and what comes after Wednesday? That is miércoles, that is Thursday, and Thursday is jueves. So like that. Okay, all these are done for you. Now let's move on to another topic, that is months of the year, the 12 months that we have. So what are those 12 months? Okay, again we'll repeat them 3 times. What are those? Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre y diciembre. Again, let us repeat them. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. One more time. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. So you can see that they are somewhat similar to English ones, no? Now, to practice it more, we'll do some exercises. In this first exercise, the months are written in English and you have to write what are they called in Spanish. That is, April is known as abril. So you just have to write abril and do the rest of them. Okay? Now, once you've done it, your answers will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Alright, let's move on to another exercise. Now, in this exercise, as you can read, what month is in between. You just have to write what month comes between these. Let's say the first one, enero y marzo. Now what comes between enero y marzo? Febrero, right? January, February, March, right? So that is how you have to do it. Okay, once you've done it, your answers will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Alright, I hope you've understand this concept well. Now let's move on to the seasons or las estaciones. So we have basically 4 seasons. What are those? El verano, el otoño, el invierno y la primavera. Let's repeat them. El verano, el otoño, el invierno y la primavera. What are those? Summer, autumn, winter and spring. These are these 4 seasons: summer, autumn, winter and spring. El verano, el otoño, el invierno y la primavera. Okay? Now what month they comprise? Like we have the summer in Junio, Julio and Agosto. These are the months of summer season. What are those? Junio, Julio y Agosto. What are the seasons of el otoño? That is the autumn. Septiembre, octubre y noviembre. In these seasons, in these months we have autumn season. Septiembre, octubre y noviembre. Now, what are the months of winter? Diciembre, enero y febrero. Diciembre, enero y febrero are winter season months. Okay? Now, marzo, abril y mayo. Marzo, abril y mayo are what? Those are spring seasons. That is la primavera. La primavera. Okay? Now we will learn some vocab that you should know when you are learning the seasons. Okay? So, the first one is el sol. El sol is the sun. La nube. La nube, the clouds. Lluvia. Lluvia, the rain. El viento. El viento, the wind. La tormenta. La tormenta, the thunderstorm. La nieve. La nieve, the snow. El relámpago. El relámpago, the lightning. El eclipse. El eclipse, the eclipse. La temperatura. La temperatura, the temperature. El frío. El frío, the cold. El calor. El calor, the hot. El tornado. El tornado, the tornado. The tornado. Okay? So this is the vocab that you should know. Now we'll do this exercise. Okay? Okay. In this exercise, all you have to do is you have the names of seasons and some words. Okay? The vocabulary of some words. So you have to match these words with these seasons. Okay? Like, suppose that one word is sol. Sol means sun. Now, in which season can I relate the sun? With summer season. So I'll relate it with verano. Verano. Okay? So in the question also you can read it as relaciona las palabras con los estaciones del año. So you have to do that. So once you've done this exercise, you can check your answers in 3, 2 y 1. Okay? Now, I hope you've understood this topic of the seasons. Let's move on to further topic, that is how to describe the weather. So, we have 2 subheadings in this, that is hace y esta. Now, what do we use with hace and what do we use with esta? Okay? Let's say I want to say it's cold or it's hot. So, I'll pair it up with hace. Now, what all do we use with hace? Frío, calor, buen tiempo, buen día, mal tiempo, mal día, sol y viento. Now, what does it mean? It basically means whenever I have to say it's cold, I'll say hace frío. It's hot, hace calor. It's a nice weather, hace buen tiempo. It's a nice day, hace buen día. It's a bad weather, hace mal tiempo. It's a bad day, hace mal día. It's sol. It's basically sunny. It's sunny, hace sol. It's windy, hace viento. Now, what do we use with está? Está nublado, está soleado, está despejo. It's cloudy, está nublado. It's sunny, está soleado. It's clear sky, it's a clear sky, okay? So, for that, está despejo, alright? Now, we have another two verbs, that is llover and nieva, which do not comes with hace o está. It does not comes with these both, okay? So, these are llover and nieva. So, some examples of llover are: en Londres llueve mucho. That means in London it rains a lot. Okay? Nieva, nunca nieva en mi ciudad. It never snows in my city. Okay? So, llover is to rain and nieva is to snow. Alright? Now, we'll understand it with some exercises also. But before that, let's understand hace and está with some examples. Okay? So, these are the examples of hace. Hoy hace frío. Today is cold. En Andalucía hace calor en verano. In Andalusia, it's summer. It's hot in the summer. Hace buen tiempo. Vamos a pasear. It's a good weather. We are going for a walk. Hace buen día. Vamos de excursión. It's a good day. We are going for excursion. Hoy hace bueno, vamos a la playa. Today is good weather. Should we go to the beach? Hace mal día, prefiero estar en casa. Today is a bad day. I prefer to stay in the house. Hace mal tiempo, no podemos hacer la barbacoa. It's a bad weather. We cannot make barbecue. En esta ciudad casi siempre hace sol. In this city, almost every day or almost always it's sunny. Hace mucho viento. Es perfecto para volar las cometas. It's very windy and is perfect for flying the kites. Alright? So it's like that. Now, let us understand some examples of está. Okay? No llaves la ropa hoy. Está nublado. Don't wash your clothes today. It's cloudy. Está nublado. Vamos a jugar afuera. It's cloudy. We are going to play outside. Está soleado. No quiero salir. It's sunny. I don't want to go outside. Vamos a la playa porque está soleado. We are going to the beach because it's sunny. Puedes lavar la ropa ya que el clima está despejado. That is, you can wash your clothes now because the climate is clear. Puedes volar las cometas, el cielo está despejado. You can fly your kites now because the sky is clear. Like that, okay? So these are some of the examples. Now we'll do some exercises to understand this concept a little bit more. Now in this exercise, as we've already learned the vocabulary of weather and climate, so in this exercise, escribe el nombre de tipo de clima en español representado por los dibujos. So you have the words, okay, and you have these drawings. So you have to put the right name with each drawing, okay. You can judge what type of weather it is or what type of climate it is, and you just have to write its name, okay. So once you've done it, your answers will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Alright. Now there's another exercise, which is again you have these images and you have this weather and climates. So you just have to do the matching. Alright. Now once you've done this exercise, your answers will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Alright. And for the second part of this question, you have to read these questions and answer accordingly. For example, I'll just do the first one for you. ¿Qué viene después de invierno? What weather comes after winter? Okay, so we already learned the months, okay, of the weather. Like for the invierno, we had diciembre, enero y febrero. Now what comes after that? Marzo, right? And what is the weather in marzo? It's la primavera, that is the spring season. So you have to fill it like that, okay? Read all these questions and answer it according to you. Now, once you've done this exercise, your answers will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Alright? So yeah, this was it for now, and let's meet in another video of ours. Thank you for watching, and I really hope that you understood well. So please like, comment and share our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe it. Okay, so see you in the next video. Adios amigos, ciao.